Hey everyone, welcome to our channel QuickSolve. Today we are learning a superpower. Yes, you are right. Superpower that everyone can have. How to become a good listener. I think this had happened with all of us. That we were all been there. You are telling your friend something important but they seems lost in their own world. Maybe they are thinking about lunch or what to wear tomorrow. Being a good listener can be a tricky, but QuickSolve is here to help. Why listening rocks? Listening well is like a magic. It makes people feel happy and important, like you really care. Here's why listening rocks. First, be a friend magnet. People want to be around those who listen to them. Second, learn super cool stuff. You hear new ideas and understand things better. Third, solve problems faster. When you listen, you can work together to fix things quicker. So, are you ready to unlock your listening superpower? Here are some easy steps to become a good listener. First, phone down, friend up. Put your phone away and show your friend you are all ears. Second, make an eye contact. Make eye contact to show you are interested in what they have to say. Third, ask what. If something is unclear, ask a question politely. Fourth, say it back. Repeat a bit of what you heard to make sure you understood. Sometimes people just need someone to listen. Let them talk and know you are there for them, even if they don't need a solution. By using your listening superpowers, you can make friends, learn new things, and solve problems together. So put these tips into your practices and become a listening champion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick solve tricks.